Welcome back, everybody. It is August 2nd, Monday, and we are back at Slide Rock. It's going to be so much fun. Slide Rock State Park is located in Oak Creek Canyon, Sedona. It is approximately a 2.5-hour drive north of Phoenix. It costs $20 for a vehicle of 4 people Monday through Thursday, $30 Friday through Sunday, and $5 for each additional person. And there are bathrooms! Welcome to Slide Rock.
Ready? Let's go.
According to the park website, Slide Rock State Park was originally the Pendley Homestead, a 43-acre historic apple farm established in 1910. In 1933, Pendley built rustic cabins for vacationers and sightseers. Quite the Airbnb of its time, I'd say. Welcome back, everybody. It is August 2nd, Monday, and we are back at Slide Rock. It's going to be so much fun. You guys excited? Yes. All right. Woo! Let's go. Slide Rock has made the Travel Channel's list of top 10 swimming holes in the U.S. It is 80 feet long and 2.5 to 4 feet wide. The algae on the rocks creates a slippery ride. Did you hear that? Walk, don't run, and be sure to bring your water shoes, as it can be extremely slippery.